I actually did some research on it, and I found out that Palomar actually had probably one of the best welding programs in Southern California.
Anyone can learn it. It's especially if you really take the time for it and you really have a passion for it, it's really good.
The welding program is awesome because we actually do a lot of very different disciplines within the welding field.
When they get done, they're really ready to go into the industry. If you walk out of this lab, you're gonna see the same exact equipment.
The more you learn about it, it's a really great experience. It's just a little scary at first, but then once I knew how much money they made, it was like, it really got me hooked.
We cannot get enough skilled welders in the United States. It's that simple. If you want a job and you like working with your hands, you like working with your mind, you want to make some money, we got a career path for you.